Well, peace, family. How are you doing? This is Abiding Artistry with some ingrown extractions, and it's yours truly, Jaslyn, your host. I'm giving you the good old voiceover. But I hope everybody has been taking care of self and just really taking your time with each and every day. Because remember, tomorrow is not promised. Hopefully you're celebrating, life. You create memories each and every day. As my mama would say, create, um, she didn't say expensive memories, but just meaningful memories, Ones that, have you talking about them for a lifetime. But nonetheless, yeah, this client here, she had a couple of skews the in and out focus, y'all. As you can see, it went out of focus, but she had a lot of little dead skin type of ingrowns, and it's just due to a lack of exfoliation. I really, really suggest everybody, go get you a dry brush. Seriously. Not only does this effectively help reduce the ingrown hairs, it also helps, with the texture of your skin. It helps remove the dead skin cells, more effectively, even though our skin, our dead skin is going to naturally shed. It just really helps to, remove the additional skin scale. Blah, blah, blah. I can't talk with these lines in my mouth clearly, but it helps to remove the additional dead skin cells off of your barrier. It also assists with the lymphatic drainage system in your body. And, those nodes are literally connected throughout our whole body, and sometimes have some stored up debris. And, dry brushing with that stimulation and that blood rush, it can assist with clearing out, you know, or I should say relieving the debris within the nodes to then, come out externally. So yeah, it's dry brushing is an ancient, skincare, technique, or just, method that they would include in their routine. So I highly suggest you guys implement that. But on the flip side, life has been good. Life has been great. Just, you know, in the midst of irritating things, happening in life, I try to, throughout the whole day announce any and everything that I'm grateful for. If I'm able to, you know, I gotta, just anything, literally. I'll be hopping in my car saying thanks. I'm grateful that it's operating and I don't have no mechanical issues, seriously. But my website, unfortunately, me trying to be a web developer and go in and correct some files, I done jacked up the website, y'all, Lord. And, yeah, so that's what I get. But, it's all right. Because it's going to be fixed. And I've been through this before. Not that it was my error. It was actually Bluehost's fault. But it got corrected. And it's okay. I've been through this, this merry-go-round. So this ain't nothing to a giant. But it's irritating, Just be some irritating little things that's happening in life. But oh, also, you guys, if you are in the Richardson area or if you live in Dallas, come and stop by, the shop, Abiding Artistry. Miss Ebony, a beautiful soul and yoga instructor. She will be performing yoga every Saturday from 9 to 10. So definitely come out, come and relieve yourself from all the stress. And you can bring your children as well. Just FYI. So, yeah, it's going to be amazing. I'm just excited, y'all, for all the new things that are coming about. I can't wait to let y'all in on the video podcast that I've been working on since last year. Just storing up. I can't wait to release them. It's gonna be some good content, good wisdom. Just people, different backgrounds, being able to share their stories. Is beautiful. So I can't wait for you all to see that. Also, I want to publicly say thank you to any and everybody who purchased the Know Your Skin workbook. It is I'm so, again, grateful that, you purchased it. You had faith, and it was like you just supportive, you were supportive. Excuse my loss for words. It's past my bedtime. But thank you all, seriously. It's definitely more books to come. So please be on the lookout for that. And yeah, y'all. Ingrowns, I feel like I'm gonna still do, but you know how you just feel like you just transitioning? I've been doing ingrowns like forever. And like I said, I don't think I'm gonna stop. It's just not gonna be the main focus. I don't know. It may be just sleep talking because I love ingrowns regardless. I don't care where I'm at in life. They just so satisfying. It's hard not to look at them. The sense of relief that you get is just. I think the biggest thing is it's not like, and I know it's not, but I don't want to only do this. I don't want to just share this with voiceovers and that's it. So yeah, no. But I know it's not, because I'm going to bring y'all more insight and share more wisdom with y'all. But I thank you so much for staying in tune. And until next time.